Algebra 3 into sec square theta plus sec square theta of 5. 3 sec square to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus 2 tan square theta minus 5. 3 6 tan square theta minus 5. 6 tan square theta minus 2. 6 tan square theta is equal to 2. Tan square theta is equal to 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, 3. 1 by 2 is equal to 10, 30. Theta is equal to 30. 10, 30. 10 theta, 10, 30. 10, 180 plus 30. 10, 210. Theta is equal to 210. Was this realizes all of your progressive minus civilized human being? Please subscribe me. I must be grateful to you if you subscribe me. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Was this realizes and strive only.